Hi, it's Hannah with WTI.
I am always on the hunt for a nice pair of heels that are stylish and beautiful, but I need them to be comfortable. And this pair by Majin has definitely given me all of those things. I really like how these shoes fit. The strap is a little bit higher on my ankle, and the back of the shoe goes up my ankle just a little bit extra. And I feel like it really elongates the heel and makes it look taller than it is. The part that goes over my toes, they also go up over my toes more than an average shoe, which I like because not only does it hide your pantyhose line on your toes, but it makes my foot feel so secure when I'm wearing these shoes. My feet are not slipping in and out, and they're very easy to walk in. I wore these on a muddy day and I got mud on them, and I was so upset, but a wet paper towel, a quick wipe down, and they were as good as new. These shoes definitely run big. So I usually wear a 7.5, and these are sevens, and they fit great. So definitely order down at least a half a size for these to fit you. All in all, I think these shoes are gorgeous. They are comfortable. They would be great if you need them every day for work, or even if you're a bride. The color of these is perfect. It has a little bit of a shimmer on it. So I think these would be a perfect addition to your closet. And that's my point of view.